Welcome to my channel Learning Techie, and please subscribe Learning Techie to get more videos like this. So what's today's topic? In our previous video, we have learned how to make a static website with the Bootstrap, HTML and the CSS. So what you are thinking that like the previous video, we are going to develop our tech blog. But no, today our topic is something different, and let me tell you that on this day, on every week, I will talk something about the different like the tech trends, the history and the many other things. Means we will gather something knowledge. So our topic is about the Magadh or the Janapadas or the Mahajanapadas. Yes, it's completely a history topic, and I will make you understand it by a story. So I think that if you view the pictures more, you will remind more. So without wasting time, let's jump into our computer screen and let's visualize more. And today's topic, Magadh, Mahajanapadas and the Janapadas. So guys, you can see that I have recently uploaded, and I have now a community of 53 subscribers, and thanks for subscribing, and also thanks for watching the video because it has in 3 days 88 views and I completely like it. Please make these 100 views and please make the 100 subscribers. So let's close the YouTube and just type that what is Magadh. So Magadh is a kingdom. Yes. So what are the Janapadas and the Mahajanapadas? The Mahajanapadas were the 16 Mahajanapadas, and Magadh was the greatest of them. But when you think that I told you about also the Janapada, then where did the Mahajanapada came? You are right. It completely came from the Janapadas. Then when the Janapadas came, yes, you are also right. It came from us, the Janas. In the earlier Vedic time, we were called the Janas because we lived in a group and we lived in forest. We doesn't have any kind of shelter, means a permanent shelter like our home. And that time, our time was not developed that you are now viewing the Learning Techie channel, and that time it was not possible. So they were called the Janas. So when the age became developing, they started also growing their community, their kingdom. The king came, there become the Vishpati, the Narapati and the other things. They were become the power of everything. So as the king came, that become to the Janapadas, means that the community grew and it changed their name to the Janapadas. And then what the Mahajanapadas? So as Janapadas were learning to fight, they started fighting, means the wars, the Kargil war and the things that were happened in the 2000 time. So that time only the 16 Mahajanapadas were left, means they won and they made their own kingdom. And from there, let's see that what are the 16 Mahajanapadas. You can see that there were the 16 Mahajanapadas: Kashi, Koshala, Anga, Magadh, Vajji, Malla, Chedi, Vasta, Kuru, Panchala, Mancha, Shurasena, Asaka, Avanti, Gandhara and Kamboja. So you can see that these were the Magadhas and they fight among them, and the Magadha was the greatest because they were so powerful na. So as of being the powerful, they defeated all of them and they started to begin their community, means they're enlarging their kingdom. So as you know that the Magadha started from, means we know that the founder, the Chandragupta I or the Chandragupta Maurya, he started the Magadha, and for him the Magadha is still, means we are still remembering the Magadha, and it is very much large and a huge empire. So these were the Mahajanapadas. So let me tell you about what the Mahajanapadas do. So the first point, that why did they build the borders? As you can see that in many countries there were the borders, but in India there is nothing border. But why? I think that in one of my channels, Study Gate, you have seen the physiographic of the mountain. So that's the cause of not having the bricks border in the India, because they have the Himalayas, the Indian Oceans, and if they came from the Indian Oceans, they will all die, and the Himalaya will not also give them the way to come into our country. So as I think that there is no border in the Pakistan line, means in the Jammu and Kashmir. So these were happenings, and why means I just switched my topic, sorry for that. And why they build the borders? The first one is that they want to swap their money, means they want to show you that how much money they have. And the second point is that they think of our protection, means the Janas or the Janapadas protection. They love their people. And the second one is to means when your parents give a follow on you, means they are seeing what you are doing or not. The king also do on us, means we were some kind of dependent on them, so they also means follow our lifeline, means what we are doing. Anyone cannot enter the means the border area, and that's where all happening. So these were the three characteristics of why did the means the Mahajanapadas build the borders, and that's why. So this is the story of the Mahajanapadas and the Janapadas. So as they were fighting and fighting and fighting, the age started developing, and the countries came. The all of them break down. The humans started learning that they have to build the country, and after that there came the Sirajuddaula, the means the English, and the Palasi Judya, and many other things were happening. As you might know that in 1557 there was the Palasi War. So that's all, and you can know that history is very much interesting, and I like history. So I will just upload the video on every Wednesday or every week. So be ready for it, and if you are means like this video, then please have a like, and also comment in this video if you have any queries, and if any information is wrong, just correct it in the comment. So if anyone comments, I will surely give you the love. Thank you for watching the video.